Developmental news coming in from the national capital of Delhi, where Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal finds himself entangled in legal controversy. The Enforcement Directorate has escalated its action against Kejriwal, filing a complaint alleging deliberate defiance of summons related to the excise policy case. Sources within the ED indicate that the court has taken notice of this complaint, suggesting a prima facie acceptance of Kejriwal's offence under Section 174 of the Indian Penal Code. Despite the mounting pressure, Kejriwal has declined to appear before the central agency for the sixth time. In response, his party, the Aam Aadmi Party, insists that the matter now rests with the courts.
जो भी कानून संगत है वो हम जवाब दे रहे हैं। अब तो उन्होंने केस कर दिया है, कोर्ट में केस है, उसके नतीजे जो आएंगे उसका इंतजार करना चाहिए ईडी को, कोई भी फ्रेश समन जारी करने के पहले।
This development comes after a series of legal maneuvers. On February 17th, Kejriwal was granted exemption from personal appearance by a Delhi court, with the case adjourned to March 16. However, the ED remains resolute, seeking legal opinion and planning to issue further summons in the days ahead. The central issue revolves around Kejriwal's repeated non-compliance with ED summons in the excise policy-linked money laundering case. This saga began on February 3rd when Kejriwal skipped the agency's fifth summons, prompting the ED to file a complaint before Additional Chief Metropolitan Magistrate Divya Malhotra. As tensions escalate and legal maneuvers continue, the political landscape in Delhi remains uncertain. Stay tuned with One India News as we closely monitor this developing situation and bring you the latest updates.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.